Hi friends, uh, today I have a lovely message for all of you, especially all the twin flames. So today I was guided to share this message that the twin flame reunions will happen. Okay, so if anybody is doubting that whether the reunion will happen, it's such a new thing. So the message that I got is the reunions will happen, and there's a logical reason also for this. Okay, I'm just not saying this to make you feel good or to make you feel better, but the reason behind why the twin flame reunions will happen is number one, the planet Earth is ascending. Okay, and when the planet's frequency rises, the twin flame reunions are more likely to happen, more probable to happen. Okay, that's the first reason. The second reason is when twin flames reunite. Okay, when twin flames reunite, they heal the matrix grid, they heal the crystalline grid, the energetic grid of the planet that supports the consciousness of the planet. Okay, so the more the twin flames reunite, the more the grid is going to heal, and the source, the higher beings, they want the planetary web, the grid, to be repaired. Okay, so when the higher powers, when source energy wants the grid to be repaired, it is a divine decree that the twin flames should unite, should reunite. Okay, because when twins reunite, that is when the crystalline grid will repair. Okay, reunion happens when we balance our energies, we balance our masculine and feminine energies, and there is a certain way of balancing them. Okay, there is a certain symmetry, there is a certain geometry, and you have to learn about sacred geometry in this journey as well. Especially in the twin flame journey, sacred geometry is very important. So when twin flames reunite in the physical, the web, the planetary web, the energetic grid is repaired. Okay, that is the main point that I wanted to convey today. And the divine wants the energetic grid to be repaired, because now we are in a transition state, which is called the ascension process. Okay, but we are in the transition stage from the old earth to the new earth. That's why the twin flame reunions are needed in mass numbers. Okay, I'm not just talking about the illumined twin flames or the starseed twin flames. I'm talking about all twin flames. Okay, when twin flames reunite, they create a very powerful frequency which helps restore the distorted grid of the planet. So the planetary grid was distorted through polarity, when the negative forces created separation between the masculine and feminine energies on a collective level. So when twin flame reunions again happen on a collective level, that repairs the grid of the planet. And when the planet's grid is repaired, it affects the consciousness of the planet, raises the consciousness. It does a lot of healing on the planet. It restores relationships, it restores health, it restores harmony in the environment. Okay, so this is the effect. And one twin flame pair is very, very powerful. It's very, very powerful. So I'm talking about this energetic work that happens through whoever pursues the ascension journey, through whoever pursues the twin flame ascension journey. Okay, and reunions are very important, because when twins exist in that frequency of physical reunion, they emit that 5D vibration. They emit the 5D vibrations. Okay, and this 5D vibrations are the vibrations of unity consciousness, which actually restore the crystalline grid of the planet, which support the planetary transition from the old earth to the new earth. Alright, so this is the logical reason why the twin flame reunions will happen. So I hope you liked today's message. Please continue the ascension journey. We are having this journey not for the reunion. I always like to remind you, because reunion is actually an energetic state that translates into the physical reality as the physical form of your twin flame. reunion is something that is completely different from the other state of addiction or codependency or needing this person. Okay, that is completely opposite from the energetic reunion. The energetic reunion is what keeps your twin flame in physical proximity to you, in union with you. Okay, but the obsession or the polarity or the neediness or the addiction to the physical form is what actually pushes him away. Okay, so these two energies are polarities. They are the feminine energy and they are the masculine energy. So when the feminine energy pushes, the masculine energy pulls back. Okay, so we want to unite both these forces within our energetic field. Any one twin flame can do this. If any one twin flame does it, usually the spiritual twin does it, or usually the person with more feminine energy, that is the person that does it. And then the field balances out for both the twin flames. And when many twin flames come together and balance their field, that balances the planetary energy field, and that is the divine planet. Also, another thing is, so number one is that planet is ascending. Number two is that the twin flame reunion is needed to balance the planetary grids. And number three is that the twin flames have a commitment. There is a commitment on the soul level to reunite. So whether the twin flames like it or they don't like it, that is just destiny. Especially the starseed twin flames, especially the Illumine twin flames, they do not have a free will. When they came on this planet, they came with a certain soul contract. Okay, and the contract was to transmute the karmic energies on the planet, raise the planet's frequency, bring in the new codes and templates for this planet, and be that frequency in your particular chosen field. You know, you have to hold that frequency in your particular chosen field as much as you can. The reunion, let me restate, happens in the 5D state. So when you reach the 5D state and when you hold a 5D vibration, you will automatically reunite with your twin flame. Okay, and there is no free will regarding this, especially with the starseed, especially with the Illumine twin flames, and who have specially committed to helping during the ascension journey. So my third point is that there is a commitment, okay, that is done with the divine. This is for the Illumine twin flames, the starseeds, and the commitment is that the twin flames will reunite, because the physical reunion is very, very important for the ascension of the planet. So I hope you like today's video, and I will see you again. I am sending you all my love and blessings.